How to manage advanced property in HubSpot. In today's video, we're diving deep into the advanced features of property management within HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned property manager or just getting started, understanding how to leverage these tools can significantly enhance your workflow and client relationships. HubSpot's property management system allows you to track and manage essential data related to your properties, such as occupancy rates, tenant information, lease details, and maintenance requests. Utilizing custom properties, you can cater the system to meet your specific needs. This customization ensures that you only collect the data that's most relevant to your operations. One of the standout features is the ability to automate tasks and notifications. With workflows, you can set up reminders for lease renewals, payment dues, and maintenance schedules. This automation not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk of human error, making your property management process more efficient. Additionally, HubSpot's reporting tools provide you with valuable insights into your property performance. You can create dashboards that visualize key metrics, such as average rent prices, tenant turnover rates, and maintenance request response times. These insights can help you make informed decisions about your properties and improve overall operations. Don't forget the importance of integrating your property management with your marketing efforts. HubSpot allows you to target specific audiences with personalized messaging, ensuring you reach potential tenants and clients effectively. Implementing personalized email campaigns can enhance your outreach and foster better relationships. Finally, engaging with your tenants through HubSpot CRM features can revolutionize your communication strategy.